Hi everyone, it's Shooter Rex here. So right now I'm here in Waldrose, Wisconsin. It's still a little bit cold out here. It's about 40 degrees in temperature and there's a little bit of breeze. But anyway, the snow is gone and I am looking forward to just do my first shoot outdoors here at the range. So to start off, we're gonna use this Walther PPQ Q4 Tac, and I have 10 rounds on each gun. So for this video, we're gonna do like different handguns that I have, and I'm also gonna shoot my Ruger PC9 Carbine. So let's get to it. Alright, so now we're gonna be using this Kimber Rapide black ice. This one is in the 9mm. We're gonna be doing a couple of shots on the steel targets. And now I'm gonna be shooting my Walther PPQ Q5 match polymer frame. With this one, I'm gonna have 10 rounds. Again, just shooting some steel targets, some AR500 steel targets. Here's another favorite handgun that I have. This is the Walther PPQ Q5 match steel frame. On this one, I have this Trigicon RMR Type 2 RM07. And I also replaced the grips with the lock grips. So let's test it out. Couple miss on that one. This one is my favorite gun of all. It's my STI DVC Omni. It has a built-in compensator. Attached to it is a Trigicon SRO and with a Surefire X300 Ultra. So let's get to it.
Shooter ready, stand by.
Let's try it again.
Shooter ready, stand by. Shooter ready, stand by. Shooter ready, stand by. Load and make ready. Shooter ready. Stand by.
What's the time?
4.95. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Alright, so for this last part of this video, I'm gonna be shooting my Ruger PC9 Carbine, and let's get to it.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Shooter ready. Stand by. Shooter ready. Stand by. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Thanks for watching. Here's a preview of my next unboxing and tabletop review. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.